to my iPad. So of course it is a two-way Bluetooth connection. So this one device has to be on, and you have to enable the Bluetooth connection on the speaker, and of course your iPad needs to be on as well. One of the things, if it is still not working, is to try and put on the airplane mode. So up here we have the airplane mode. Simply just turn that one on and turn off your Bluetooth connection. Turn that one off again. That will turn on the Bluetooth connection, and now you should be able to connect to your device. And again, it is able to connect. If you're still having issues not